Hi everyone, it's Neil. Hey, pretty excited today. They just broke ground for our property where we'll put a Toro Steel building out of Toronto. It'll be a 30 by 50 building that will go right over here. Okay, we got column one up. Hey everyone, it's Neil here. We're making some progress on our barn dominium. As you see today behind me, we were able to put up the 4 columns. Just 2 of us were able to do that. Hi everyone. Hey, it's day number 3 officially, and as you can see behind me, we've got more of a crew to help us, and a scissor lift, which will make it much easier and safer to get those columns up. We got all of the columns up for both walls now, up and secure into the concrete pad.
27 pounds.
Okay, good. Guys will hopefully be assembling the rafters, so stay tuned.